Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. And what a day on ticker symbol BBIG. And I did not have any plan for making another video on BBIG because you can look at my video list. The last video came yesterday and today it ran up just 3 days before I had another video when the price was 2.2. So we have been really doing good because if you look at last 5 days of chart, it was around 2.2 when we established our position. In 2 days it is up almost 50-60%. Even yesterday it was up 20%, today another 22%. In 2 days almost 50% up. Really very exciting. So it was up by 22% today. After hour it is up by almost 4%. It was a little bit 4% a little while ago. Very exciting. It might run. People are talking about squeezing higher and higher. The setup is there, the volume is there, everything is there. So in this particular video I will talk about the support, resistance, volume, option activity, short interest, so many different things. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like this particular video, subscribe my channel. At the same time, my Discord family, you have to become a Patreon member. You have to get access to my Discord for getting early alert. As an example, BBIG, we entered at 2.2. We are up almost 60-70%. So really exciting, very happy. So give a try, join my community for day trading, swing trading, even for option alert on different ticker symbol. I give alert pre-market, during market hour, even after hours. Very exciting. Give a try. If you do not have Discord, you can also join my YouTube community just by clicking the join button. So first of all, let's look at few nice things that you will love. So if you look at volume leaders, number one is Ford. We know Ford did good, but look at BBIG, 144 million volume today, sitting at number 2. So I will talk a lot about the chart. I will come back to the chart because this is the thing I want to talk. But let's look at few other things before I go back to the chart. So the average volume for BBIG was 18 million. Okay, and today's volume is 144 million. So almost like 6-7 times more volume pour into BBIG. Even after hour, it has been getting some volume moving nicely. If you look at day by day volume chart, let me show you something. You will love it, hopefully. So so let's look at last 1 month chart. Look at the volume here. No volume was happening, but back to back 2 days we are having more volume. Last night video I talked about what about we get more volume. Now we got the volume. So the volume was 6.3 million, then yesterday was 34 million, and today 144 million. You can see how the volume is going higher. If I go back, I want to show you what happens with the volume. Whenever there is big volume, the price goes higher. Big volume, price spikes. Big volume, price spikes. So last time we had 139 million volume, the price was $8. Today we got the same amount of volume. So what about if we get a volume around 300 million, which we got sometime in September when the price was $8, $9, $10. So I think it will go higher and higher. Very exciting. If I go to Fintel, it is showing me 22.5% short interest, dark pool short interest 54%. If I go down, there is no shares available to short. It has some amount yesterday, but today I don't see anything. So confirming the same thing, shortablestock.com, 0 shares available, 24.4% the borrow fee rate. Okay. And also if you go investors place, there is something came 6 hours ago. BBIG stock pops once again on rumors of cryptid launch. So in my last videos I talked about the rumors or the possibility, and the price was 2.2, and I said that because of that BBIG will go higher. Now this is going higher, and now I see this on investor place. So I'm really happy so that we are making money, right? We entered early. That's the big thing. I will also come back to the option activity because things are really exciting. Do not go, because when you look at the option activity, the smart money, you will love it. Okay, so BBIG. So let's look at how we did. First of all, if I go to a 1 hour chart, so it was always sitting around this area, right? If you look at the chart, 2.2, 2.2, that was the floor, and this is the place we entered. So in terms of 2.2 all the way to 3.9, 76% up. At one point we were up 76%, right? Also, we have been trading. Some people are doing day trading, swing trading on different occasions, but see how things are happening in last, on a 1 hour chart. Look at the volume today and yesterday. The volume was there. Today volume was even more. End of the day, lots of volume came after our really looking nice. So we had the support at 2.2, then we had something 2.4, then we had something at 2.6. So today we were really excited because we thought we will go higher and higher. So let's see how we did today. So I'm going to a 5-minute chart. This is important for you to see how we moved, so you will understand how things are happening. So pre-market, it was moving on this area. Then when the market started, lots of volume came. It pushed. 3.2 was our initial target for taking profit. We took some profit. It came down, and I was looking at this area, 2.9 area. Why 2.9? Because it was the pre-market resistance. You see here, resistance. Maybe I'll just adjust a line a little bit so you will like it better. So that was the area. So it came here, and also it was making lower high. So I was expecting a breakout, either upside or downside. The good thing is it was upside. Again, it moved from here, hit 3.2. You see how it is moving. Went over 3.2, came down, bounced up that 3.2. Meaning that the 3.2 was a resistance, it became a new support. Then again it went up, came down, it was making some triangular consolidation, big volume came, it pushed, right? Went up all the way to 3.8 something, right? Came down, and it bounced again from 3.5. See how it is moving. The previous resistance is becoming the new support. So 3.5 was here. So it came to 3.5, bounced couple of times. And I was telling everyone that, okay, if we can hold 3.5 as the new support, I see good things, because this might be the next support. Then after hour, it moved again to 3.7, came down, but we haven't tested 3.5 yet. Currently 3.67. So in case it comes down to 3.5, I'm expecting a bounce back. You can establish your position with a stop loss, definitely, because stop loss is so important, because it ran so much in last few days. It might have a pullback. I will look at the RSI and MACD, but it might have a pullback, so you always have to think about stop loss. I do not want this to come down, but I'm just saying. The next thing, maybe I'll just get rid of this type of candle. So the next thing, it has to break. Okay, this is another crypto. So that's the area, 3.8. So once it breaks 3.8, where we are going. So I'm going back to an hourly chart. So you see, I already plotted this area for the members, because I think the next resistance will be around 4.3. I like this kind of candle because it looks nicer. You get a better picture. Yeah. So 4.3, I think it might go at least to $4 or maybe $4.3. And why 4.3? Because if you look, 4.3 was a previous support, then it became a resistance. So 4.3 is our next target. After 4.3, I see some movement, let's say around 5.5 area. After 5.5, can we go higher? Let's talk about $7 for now. I said we will go step by step. When I was talking about 2.2, I didn't talk about $7, but now I'm talking about 5.5 and $7. So just pause the video here, take the numbers, or if you want, just put an alert on your platform so you know what's going to happen. So this is the chart. Now let's look at the option chain, because if you look at the option chain expiring tomorrow, you can see still these people are waiting. They are waiting here. The call options are not very expensive, $13, $25, just 1 day to expire. So get in, get out, make some money. Some people are still waiting, but most of them are here, right? The open interest is less. But if I go to 21st of January, and by the way, if you're liking this video, why don't you like it, subscribe my video, and why don't you join my community to get access to my Discord? Let's make money together. Look at open interest on this side for 21st of January, which will expire after 8 days. These people are betting really big. For 5 strike price 76,000 call option. For 6 strike price 74,000 call option. For 10 strike price 54,000 call option. So they are betting big. If you want to join, you can just buy one call option. Let's say for 5 strike price, just pay $21. Whenever BBIG will go high, you will make money, you will just sell it. As an example, if you're following my channel, you know I bought this call option. The 2.5 strike price was only for $9, and today it is $106. So I made almost 12 times money on that particular option, just one call option, right? So this is how we can make money if things are going in your correct direction. So anyway, if you're part of the community, or if you're following my Twitter, or if you're part of my YouTube community, definitely you will get more update. And I urge trade within a community. That always feels better, because you can ask your question, you can see other stock if they're popping, you can see the news, because we have a lot of members, we share, we care, we are learning and growing together. So give a try, just $9 per month. I think you can make more than $9 for the entire month. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and let's make money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care.